everybody, my name is Mia Wright. My pronouns are both they and she, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey y'all, so I am 9 months and 4 days locked. Please listen, I know I dyed my hair. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. It's already been posted, but yeah, it was super spontaneous. Dyed it yesterday, and I did a retwist. Things are looking light. I mean, this part is a little light, and this part right here is just a little darker than what I wanted, but I think overall it just came out so bomb. Like, oh my god, they say redheads have more fun. But anyway, let me get into the light. So I'm not really seeing anything else, anything noteworthy. Since I've dyed my hair and I bleached it, I'm going to have to take like extra care of it, and I'll be doing that. I already like moisturize my edges every day with Jamaican black castor oil, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to make a specific lock tonic for my hair how it is right now, since it's been bleached entirely. I can't even believe I did this. This was on a whim. This was completely on a whim. I was not expecting to do this. I wanted to dye my hair for my birthday, and I wanted to dye a different color for my birthday. My birthday's all the way in June. But I was like, you know what? 2021, we're going in strong. We're gonna do something different. So I just, on a whim, was like, you know what? Let's do it. And I did it, and I think it came out really pretty great. It's a little light right here, but I'm still a bad joint. Like, come on, get into it. Let's get into it. Anyway, that's all I really have to update on in regards to my locks. And yeah, I'll check back in later. Hey y'all, so I'm 9 months and 8 days locked. There's not really much to update y'all on. My scalp really isn't itching like that. I feel like the more pressing issue is just keeping my hair moisturized since I dyed it, or bleached and dyed it. So, I mean, that's been pretty much okay. My hair hasn't felt brittle at all. I haven't seen any damage. I mean, of course my hair is damaged because it's been bleached, but I haven't seen any other damage besides just me bleaching it. Yeah, I mean, the color is still nice. My retwist is lasting. I did my retwist maybe about a day or two before I turned 9 months, and I mean, it's still looking good, but I'm starting to notice that my retwists are lasting longer now that my hair is growing and, you know, it's lasting longer. But yeah, that's pretty much it for these past couple days since I last checked in. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey y'all, so I'm 6 days away from being 10 months locked. OMG, that's crazy. 10 months? Wow. I can't even believe it. But anyway, my hair right now is like completely, the retwist is completely done. It's been done for a minute, for a while, but everything is going great. I mean, my hair is going in. I mean, I'm gonna show more when I actually do the update, but my hair, you see like it's growing in. You know what, let me try to get a different part. It looks crazy though. I need a retwist ASAP. But if you guys can see the black just coming in, or the dark brown coming in, I'm excited to see the final result, like how much my hair has grown. That's another reason why I'm happy that I dyed my hair, because I get to actually physically see the actual growth in that way, like, you know, from how much my roots are growing in. So yeah, but other than that, everything's been going okay. My lock jewelry though is getting annoying because like it's starting to fall out sometimes, like the shells, and I kind of have to put them back in. It's not too often, but like whenever I wash my hair, I just automatically am gonna expect that one of them is gonna fall out, and then I'm gonna have to put it back in. I've washed my hair twice now this month, and it's I mean, I feel like that was pretty necessary because I've had a lot of product buildup, and I think for me, I was trying to low-key overcompensate with because my hair is now dyed. Like, I wanted to make sure it's moisturized all the time and that I'm doing the right thing so that it doesn't break off and it's brittle. So I've just been like highly like not putting matte product in it, but like I put a little bit more conditioner, leave-in conditioner in my Loc tonic spray mix, and I feel like maybe I shouldn't have done that. I kind of have to dilute it with water more. Yeah, so I had to wash my hair a little bit more often than I usually do during these months. But other than that, I'm good. I can't wait to retwist though. I think I'm gonna actually film that, but we'll see. All right, y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like after the retwist. This is my first lock update with my hair dyed, and it's been going pretty well. I feel like my retwists are lasting a little bit longer now that my hair is fully locked, to an extent. Like, there are some locks that aren't fully locked, but for the most part, I will say that most of my locks are pretty locked. And yeah, so the retwists are lasting longer. I would say this retwist lasted about, I would say about like 2 weeks ish. That second week was a little shaky. But for the most part, it was, you know, pretty thorough. And also in regards to my retwists, I feel like now I'm starting to get more of a hang of how to do it. So it's taking me a shorter amount of time to get it done. And if you want to see me retwisting my hair this time around, I did shoot a video for it. So please be on the lookout for that. In regards to itchiness and frizziness, first let's start with itchiness. There's not really much to talk about in regards to that. Like, my hair really isn't itchy like that. And I'm starting to think that maybe it was because during those first couple months, my hair was starting to lock and my hair was super frizzy, and it may have been irritating my scalp. And also the fact that I was working out every day, it didn't really help that. But now I can say that's no longer an issue. I really feel freer and lighter these upcoming months. Like, these past few months have just been sort of a breeze in regards to that, and especially in comparison to what I was going through before. I felt so like disheartened, or like my expectations weren't met with my locks because of the fact that my hair was so itchy. And I just thought I would feel better during those couple months, but it didn't happen. But now it has, and I'm really happy about that. So of course, as you guys know and can see, my hair is dyed and, you know, bleached and dyed, so I have to take super care of it. I've still been using the same products, you know, my Jamaican black castor oil, my jojoba oil, my Jamaican black castor oil blend that I have, in my Miel Organics, you know, moisturizer sparingly. But I've had to like utilize and like moisturize my hair a little bit more often because I'm just so afraid of my hair breaking off, or like waking up and seeing a lock on the bed. Like, what? Honestly, I can't, because I'm already trying to grow my edges back and I'm already trying to make them like more full. So I want to make sure I'm taking care of my hair. If you guys want an updated lock moisturization routine, please let me know. But I'm just doing those things a little bit more frequently, and I have changed a little bit of my regimen, at least what's in my Loc tonic. So if you guys are interested, like I said before, let me know and I'll shoot a video for it. Okay, so in regards to re-dyeing my hair, I plan on re-dyeing my hair either this upcoming month, like for my 11th month lock update, or maybe my full year. Who knows? It depends on how the color is sitting on my hair during that time. But I definitely plan on re-dyeing it. The color has faded just a little bit, but nothing too much where it's like super drastic or I feel like it doesn't look good, because like, look good. Period. But yeah, so I do plan on doing a little touch up, and I will be filming that process, so please don't worry about that. One thing though that has been like low-key annoying me this month has been my lock jewelry. Like, I'm keeping my lock jewelry in. I'm keeping my lock jewelry in, but like, yeah, every time I wash my hair, at least one shell falls out. And I'm just like, how? Because I put it on those rings, like I showed you guys. I put it on the rings, and then I like close it in. And sometimes the ring will get locked onto another lock, or like will be attached to another lock, so then I have to pull it apart. So that's kind of annoying. And I'm not necessarily sure if I can find a way to for that to not happen. I think that's just what's gonna happen if I have these things in my hair. But I'm not gonna take it out. But it was something that was annoying, and I felt like it is worth noting, especially if you are someone who wants to wear lock jewelry in all the time, like I do. I personally feel like my locks look a little bit bland when I don't have my lock jewelry in. So I don't know, I feel like it fits my aesthetic and my style, so I want to keep them in and make sure that I always have something, you know, blinging in the hair situation. But yeah, that is annoying, like really annoying. So if you are someone who wants to wear lock jewelry, I would be mindful of that. Like, is that something that you can handle? Is that something that you even want to deal with? Because like, dang, like it fell out, like I gotta put it in again, and then I have to find where it will look right, and it's whatever. But for me, it's worth it. So yeah, because my hair has gotten longer, I'm starting to be able to do more styles and feel more comfortable wearing my hair up all the time, and just really feel comfortable and feel settled within my lock experience. I wasn't able to do that in the beginning. I didn't think I could. Well, I wouldn't say I wasn't able to do that. I just didn't think I could. I didn't think it'd look right, so I didn't even try. But then as my hair started to get longer, I started to try more and more styles. So if you guys are interested in me doing another like lock hairstyle video, let me know. But you guys gotta watch the first one first, because the way y'all just let that one flop. I'm a little heartbroken. But again, if you guys want another video on how to do different hairstyles with your locks, or what hairstyles that I've been doing recently, just let me know and I can definitely handle that for you. But yeah, that's pretty much it in regards to a lock update. Like, y'all, when I tell y'all this month has just been a breeze, it really has been a breeze. Like, I can't believe that I'm actually in month 10, because honestly, I really am mentally, I'm still in 2020, low key. Like, mentally, I feel like, you know, only a few months have passed, and that my locks really, they need to grow a little bit longer before I can feel too comfortable, whatever. And then I look in the mirror and I'm just like, oh snap, my locks have been growing. My locks have been growing, like growing. So yeah, I kind of have to realize that, like, wow, all this time really has passed, and it has been 10 months since I started my lock journey, which is crazy, because like, I couldn't even imagine where my locks would be at this point in time. Like, I didn't know what that would look like in March of last year. But now to know that we're approaching March of 2021, where my hair will be a year fully locked, like, I'm just ecstatic. But I do recognize that, like, my locks aren't growing as fast as I thought they would, which is kind of interesting, especially because when I was loose natural, my hair would fall, like, I would experience a lot of shedding. So I thought that because I experienced a lot of shedding and I didn't see much growth within my hair journey as a loose natural, that when I locked my hair, of course I wouldn't be shedding, and you know, I'll be able to retain that length. but it doesn't necessarily seem like that. But my hair is growing though. It is growing, and I'm happy that I did bleach and dye my locks, because now I'm able to see much more clearly where how much growth that I had for that specific month or week or whatever. Like, whoo. Let me just. Like, yeah. My hair, oh, sorry y'all, this light is brazy. But yeah, you can definitely see especially with the black that's or the dark brown that's coming in, that my hair has been growing a lot. But hopefully in 6 months, there'll be a lot more black or dark brown, so that I'm able to like re-bleach my hair and then dye it a different color. But we'll see when that comes. But yeah, so when I think my hair in about 2 months, it'll be, I don't know, hopefully it's like, you know, sitting more, I mean, hopefully it's sitting more on my neck. My goal is to have shoulder length locks and then to be done documenting that process. So I'm gonna be continuing to document this process of me getting shoulder length locks, and see how long that will take me. And I feel like it may be another year. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm gonna just stop when I get it. I'm gonna just stop when I stop. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm really doing good. I'm really doing good. And I'm happy that like I actually have like a stronger relationship with my locks, and they're actually forming and starting to do their own thing. So it's really great to see and just to experience and see what my hair does on its own. You know, like of course I retwist just to help shape it, but like the rest of the month, like it's doing its own thing. It's growing, it's locking, it's just being whatever it wants to be. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. Again, please look out for the next video where I do my retwist if you're interested in looking and see how I retwist my hair each month. And that's that. That really is that. All right, peace. See you guys later. Happy Sunday. I will be around. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on TikTok. See ya. See ya.